Alright guys, so today we're doing a front struts on a '08 Corolla. We gotta take this shield off, so it's just the plastics. It has one little clip on this side, and then everything else is just clip on so you can raise up. You do have to remove the wipers, which is a 14 nut. I marked the thing so I could kind of line it up with the wipers once I put it back on, but we gotta do the same thing. Take that off. It's just because we want to make space. Well, there's 3 bolts here. Take that off, that slides. Take the wipers off, that slides. And now we just gotta take all of this all this bracket. It comes out completely in one piece. We unplug this with a screwdriver, unplug this right here, and this piece comes out as one piece.
Just the whole over it.
So let me get that done and then keep it posted to the next step. Alright guys, so we gotta take the wiper off. It has 2 bolts, one here, and this is just a guide on the back that you slide and you remove. So basically right after that you got a lot of bolts that you gotta take out. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bolts, and then this piece is gonna come out. So after we do that, then we got the space for the bolts. Alright, so we'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so right underneath here we got strut sticks like this. We got this guy here. Gotta remove that one. We got the brake line over here. Gotta remove that. The sensor sits right in that hole. That's a 10. This is a 14, 17. And then we got the 22s over here holding that piece. So after we do that, then we jump up. And we have the 3 nuts. So once you remove the last one, it's gonna drop. So you wanna be holding it. You wanna be holding it, and then it's gonna come out just like that. So now we're gonna get a new one, put it back on, and start doing the other side. Alright, keep you posted. Alright guys, so that's the new one. So we got the 3 bolts on top. We got the ones on the bottom, and now we just gotta start putting everything back together the way it was. So we're gonna present the 2 bolts on the bottom first, so we can just hold it in place, and then we can start putting the rest of the stuff. Alright, so keep you posted. Alright guys, so that side is done. Now we gotta do this side. So the same process. We got the 3 bolts. And once here on the bottom, I already loosened up this guy. I already loosened out this ones. We're just missing this and the sensor, so we don't put any tension on it. And then we should be able to drop this one, put the new one in. So let me get that done and I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so we got this. We gotta tie down this guy. And we got a sensor. We gotta click it, put the bolt on it, and the bolt here and the sensor. So we just gotta tie down there, tie this one and the sensor, and then that's done. Now I just gotta jump up to the top and start assembling all this thing back together. Alright, so keep it posted. Alright guys, so all the bolts are tightened down. Now I just gotta put in the wiper, tighten down the 2 bolts on it, put the plastic, and then we put the arms on. Let me get that done and I'll show you right back. Alright guys, so everything is back on. The bolts, the plastics, the wiper blades, everything is back on point and good to go. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.